Alright everybody and my fellow YouTube modelers. Hey, got two cars on the bench here and I've had them on here for, well, one I've had on here for quite a while. It's not quite done yet, and the other one that is coming along. So, we'll start off with the Supernatural Impala first. So this bad boy would be done. I just got a few things left to do, like the windshield wipers, and there was a spotlight on the side there. I usually don't put the rearview mirrors on, but doing the spotlight there. The battery, which I'm still working on. But the crazy thing, I finally did get it to sit right. I had the problem where the front end was sitting a little too high. But the crazy thing was I dropped the hood and I lost a chrome edge on there, and it's on the floor somewhere down here. That's my boot. How you doing? On the floor somewhere down there, so I got to go through between the boxes over there and some garbage over there. It's a mess. But see if I can find a chrome piece there. This bad boy here is just about done, and I don't know why it just doesn't want to finish. Alright, but it's coming along really good so far. So we're going to take this back. I put this one off to the side. I also got the Ford Motorcraft Jeff Bodine car there. The back lid is still in underneath my porch, and I still haven't. I was actually working on a couple parts here for the to get the wheel on there right, because the wheel doesn't want to. I lost the backing there. The wheel doesn't want to go on properly. So anyways, I was working on that. So then the crazy 1929 AMT car that I've been bashing so much here comes with this really cool Schwinn bicycle. I like this guy, a little Stingray. Kind of cool. I broke off the one pedal on the side there, so I'm only going to do it, display it on that side, but he's looking pretty cool. I like that. It's going to go in the back just like on the thing there. So then, over here, where I didn't have the rear end for the car actually was coming along pretty well. The engine is garbage. Eventually I'm going to drop a different engine in it, hopefully. You know how AMT's got like 1,000 different engines. Maybe I can do like some kind of something with the headers coming out or something. Back end's coming in from somebody, so I should be able to put these fatty mo batty tires on the back of this thing here, and it will look mighty cool. Coming along okay. And then the bike will go in the back, something like that. And I got the one tire on, so far so good. Even the lights here kind of leaning down forward. So either way. So I got a couple things being worked on and a couple things that I'm just kind of stalling out on here. So I don't know what my next project's going to be. I got a few things to do, but I will pick something eventually soon. And I'll update you guys when more updates come available. So hopefully next video, one of these cars is going to be done. Well, stay tuned. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Take care, everybody.